Aboriginal people have a strong connection to country. Since the Dreamtime, we have travelled the land as custodians, a land made up of many nations following our songlines. Our songlines put our sacred sites into place. They tell the story of creation. Our knowledge of country enables us to identify who we are, who our family is, to know who our ancestors are, and to share our stories. Transport for New South Wales has embarked on a journey with us, working with the Wiradjuri Nation representatives as they build a new regional rail maintenance facility in Dubbo. Through storytelling and collaboration, the new rail maintenance facility has been named Midjura, a Wiradjuri word. It means to fix or to repair. Using Aboriginal language demonstrates Transport's commitment to understanding our culture. We are connected through language to the land, skies and waterways. Respectfully together, we aim to create a future of healing and trust, acknowledging the past while we Midjura the future through our language, our culture and our stories.